If you're looking to hire a professional painting contractor to paint your home, you're looking for someone who's affordable, and you're looking for someone who will give you a great experience, here's 3 tips that will help you along the way. The first tip that I recommend all homeowners do is get more than 1 quote. Even if it's from a trusted referral source, always get more than 1 quote. In fact, I recommend you get 3 quotes. What this does, it gives you perspective on the painting company, it gives you 3 different prices, and it helps you understand what exactly you're paying for, the value you're getting. A lot of homeowners don't do this, and they only get 1 or 2 quotes, and then they make their decision. But the truth is most estimates are free. So why not get more than 1? Might as well get 3. The second tip I recommend you do as a homeowner to protect yourself is to always get it in writing. Now, in the perfect world, you want a contract that states all of the terms and conditions, the pricing, everything that goes wrong, the warranty. But in some situations, you don't have time to do that. So at the very least, always get the quote in writing, in a PDF, in some form of physical writing. Don't do it in a text. Don't do it over a handshake. Get it written down. On that proposal, it should say the details of what prep they're going to do. It should show the painting details, what paint products they're going to use, the rooms that they're going to paint, the areas, the surfaces that need to be painted. It's going to tell you about their warranty. It's going to tell you a little bit about their business. It gives you a great perspective, and it allows you to hold them to their word. That's really the most important thing. And the third thing that I recommend is that you beware of those painting contractors that present themselves, that sell their company, and then sub out the work. And usually these subcontractors produce subpar work. They're not part of the company, so you didn't really hire that company. And they're getting paid quite a bit less than what you're paying. And at the end of the day, you suffer. And even worse is that if that painting company, that subcontracting painting company, doesn't have general liability insurance and they hurt themselves on your property, you are fully legally liable. And that's a big red flag these days. It's happening in the painting industry, and it's not a very good thing. And my name is Paul. I'm from Trusted House Painter. I built this app, Trusted House Painter, many years ago to help homeowners find and hire the right painting contractor and have a great experience doing so. I receive calls all the time from homeowners who found me through YouTube or wherever, and they see our hotline and they give me a call and they ask questions. And 9 times out of 10, it's way too late. They usually call me because something bad has gone wrong in the painting project and things have gone south and they're not happy. And these 3 tips that I gave you are 90% of the reason why they're calling me. They either A, didn't get more than 2 quotes, B, they didn't get it in writing, or C, they hired someone and then they turned up having another company come to do the job, which they didn't understand. The painters got injured or something went wrong, the contract went south, and their house never got painted. So these are 3 problems that are rampant in the painting industry. And if you have any questions, if you need any help, you can call me at 1-866-724-6818 at Trusted House Painter. Below this video is a free PDF that'll help you get started on the way. And once you download that, you can join Trusted House Painter. It's completely free. And you can download the Homeowner Toolkit. It's a series of documents that I've created that help you understand and plan for a perfect painting project. A perfect example is we give you the painting questionnaire. It's a bunch of questions that you should ask your painter during the interview. We also give you a sample contract just in case you don't know one or you don't want to spend thousands of dollars on a lawyer. It just helps set the tone. It also helps weed out those bad painters that don't really want to sign a contract or don't want to tell you the truth. So if you need anything else, scroll below this video, download the free PDF, and below that, you'll find painting companies that are on Trusted House Painter app that you can be safe to contact, to reach out to, and get painting quotes from. Again, keep in mind, always use the Homeowner Toolkit and ask the questions, get the 3 quotes, and if you do that, you will have a perfect painting project.